Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Daily update it is because I've been covering Solana for the last couple of days. So, going to take a look at it again. The situation is practically the same as yesterday. Yesterday, when we did the video, the price had just found resistance at $30 and was dropping down. Now it has also found resistance in that area, I would say, because there's basically like the main resistance level for Solana right now is between $30 and $32. So it has found resistance there again, and even with this last 4-hour candle, it actually broke down below $30, I believe, or almost. No, not really actually. But the situation, I would say, is still the same. So Solana at this moment is still bullish. It's fighting with a major resistance level, so we're just going to have to do a full analysis on what's most likely from here, all right? Will Solana be able to break above this level, break above $32, and get up towards the next level at around $35 and $37, which is the next resistance level? Or is this it? And will we actually get some more bearish momentum? So that's what we'll talk about. Now, unfortunately, when we start this analysis, the first thing I have to say is that Solana is very, very, very correlated with Bitcoin. All right, the correlation right now is 98. All right, which means that for 98%, Solana actually moves the same as Bitcoin, which is not great because I want to give you an analysis on Solana, but what we actually have to do, and it's not great, but it's the truth. All right, so I have to prepare you as well as I can. And the best way to do that is to take a look at Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin right now, very bullish this morning. Solana the same. There you can actually see that correlation. And the big question for Bitcoin is, like, it's the beginning of the week. All right, so the beginning of the week is usually very volatile because a lot of new money actually gets into the market. So the big question for Bitcoin right now, I would actually say, is how will it react to this support level at 30,200 and 30,300. You can see that there's a minor support level which was a resistance this weekend, and now we'll see how it reacts to that level now that it's the full week and it's actually support. All right, it might be a weaker support than that it was a resistance. So we'll see that, and the same we'll see for Solana. All right, for Solana that level is around 29.5 and $30. $30 right now technically is actually still support. So we'll see how it reacts to that. And based on that, we'll see the next moves. So if you take a look at Solana right now, you can see that the open interest and the volume were pretty great this morning, but right now they're back at the same levels as they were yesterday evening. All right, so there was a lot of momentum for Solana this morning. Right now it's actually dissipating a bit. So that really is the big thing we're going to see today. All right, if Solana breaks down below that level between 30 and 29.5, we're going to get more bearish momentum. I expect at least 28.3, but it could drop down all the way to this $27 level. And then from there, we'll see again, all right? Because right now, while the price is so volatile, we have to... you basically have to analyze a lot, all right? Because it depends a lot. Like if Solana really does break down below 30 and 29.5, then the question whether it will drop down further than 27 or 27.5 depends on how it reacts to that level. Like if it barely finds any support there, then yes, it will drop down to $25. But if it does find a lot of support there and it breaks above 28.3 again afterwards, then it can just easily get back up to $30 afterwards. So it's difficult to analyze Solana right now. I would say take a look at Bitcoin. Right now, it still looks most likely that Bitcoin will get up to that level around 31,000. All right, there's major resistance. So I will tell you as well that the most likely scenario for Solana is, at least on the short term, that it will hold $30 and that it will get up towards $32. Now, whether it's going to be able to break above that depends on Bitcoin. All right, if Bitcoin gets up to 32,000, then yes, I think Solana can actually break above that and get towards $34 or 35, excuse me, and otherwise not. So it's not amazing that I have to analyze like that, but that is the truth. All right, this is most likely at this moment. If Solana does break below $30 and 29.5, then this is invalidated and it's more likely that Solana will fall. But the magic level, you have to remember, is 30 and 29.5. All right, that's the main support. At this moment, it looks most likely that that will hold and that Solana will continue its bullish momentum. But the moment that breaks, market structure changes and we'll see some bearish momentum. All right, so that's my take on Solana. A little bit of a long video, excuse me. But lastly, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to an amazing community full of traders and my trading guide. Definitely worth it. If you want to check it out, links will be down in the description. For now, have a great week, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.